board is all sanded down all the way to 400, and now I'm going to use this sealer. This is a concrete sealer which works very good. It has a very nice finish on the board. I'm going to use this cloth, and I'm going to squeeze it very hard. It should be almost dry, and you can see how nice of a finish it's going to create. You need to work very fast, especially when it's so hot like today. That's it. We need to give it about 10 minutes to dry, and then you can see a very nice silk finish. Okay, now I'm going to seal the bottom. Again, you don't need a lot of sealer, just a little bit. You need to work fast, and it's going to give a very nice sand finish. Okay, I'm going to give it about 10 minutes. When it's going to be completely dry, you can see it's going to have a very nice pattern on it. You can also take a sandpaper, water paper, 1000 grit or 1500 grit, and make one pass on dry, and it's going to leave very nice scratches. But I think it's going to be good like this. Okay, let's give it 10 minutes and see how it looks. Board, 2 kilos. That's amazing. Much better than I expected. Okay, this board is all done. This is amazing surfboard. So accurate, such a beautiful lines. Definitely going to be a very good high performance shortboard. Let's talk about what is interest to us the most. This one without vacuum, and this full carbon. I haven't made a video of it, but this one was with vacuum bag. So first of all, let's say there is not a big difference at all. I mean, very small differences. Weight wise, I believe that you can save maybe 5%, maybe 10% of the weight if you're doing vacuum bag. So you need to think for yourself if it's worth the time, the effort that vacuum bag is going to take from you. The second thing is that with a vacuum bag, the laps are going to be a lot more flat. It requires less sanding, less preparation before the hot coat. Over here, I had more troubles with the lap, and it required a lot more sanding and preparation. So this is probably the only big difference between vacuum bag and non-vacuum bag. Other than that, other differences, only time will tell if the one I did with vacuum is going to hold longer. So that's the board. It's so light you wouldn't believe it. I'm holding it with one hand, 2 kilos of a board, and this is not really short. I mean, it's 5'10". It's not a small board, but I'm absolutely happy with it. As always, guys, I would appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. These videos takes me a long time to make, and it's going to help us a lot. See you soon in the next video. There is a lot of things coming up. Over here I'm preparing a very big blank, as you can see, 10-foot glider. It's going to be exciting build, 100% hand shape. So I'll see you soon, guys.